This video is for all you old geezers out there that are thinking about riding motorcycles in your old age. You can do it if you really want to. You don't even need to be in shape to do it. But the problem is, there's no doors, there's no roof. Everybody gets to see the real you. And if the real you is a 450-pound porker who's hanging off the sides of the bike and your guts dragging along the ground as you ride down the road, you're just not going to look cool. Plus, most motorcycles are not designed to carry riders that weigh in excess of, say, 250 pounds. So if you're riding and you're old and you're way out of shape and you're way overweight, if nothing else, you're going to look silly. But on the brighter side of things, you can use this to inspire yourself to stay in shape. Staying in shape is really not that hard. All you have to do is exercise a little now and then, and don't eat the entire state of Rhode Island. I generally exercise maybe 3-4 times a week, sometimes more, sometimes less. I do weights, I do the treadmill, and I do a stairs type exercise where I walk up and down stairs from the basement to the second floor. I do that stairs exercise 10 times. This keeps me in reasonably good shape and reasonably strong. I'm 70 years old, and I'm hoping that I can continue to ride maybe until I'm 75, who knows, maybe even 80. But to do that, I'm definitely going to have to exercise and stay in shape. So anyhow, happy riding to all you old geezers out there, and try and stay in reasonable shape so that you don't look foolish on the motorcycle, and so that you can handle the weight of it. Well, that is all, folks. Check back in from time to time and subscribe if you like, and don't forget to like the video if you like it. And remember, I'll be back.